Welcome to part 1 of the new Mobil-O-Graph training videos. This introductory video will guide you through preparing the device before sending away with a patient. First, we need to connect the device to your computer. The rectangular USB connects to an available socket on your PC. Your download cable may be green or blue. Locate the red dot on the side of the cable and another red dot on the side of the unit. Line up the dots on the side of your device. You do not need to force or turn the cable when aligned correctly. Insert the cable into the device. Again, ensure the red dots are aligned. The cable will slot into place. The device is powered by 2 AA batteries. If using the supplied rechargeable batteries, ensure they are fully charged. If using alkaline disposable batteries, use a new set for each recording. Press the red power button for a moment to power on the device. The display will show the battery voltage and then show CO when connected. If the time is displayed, check the cable is correctly inserted. Begin by opening the patient record in your clinical system. Then launch the i3 software with the icon from your desktop. Once the screen appears, simply select Start. On this screen, you will see your available products. Choose the BP icon to begin. You then get the option to prepare the device. Reading is for when the patient has returned the unit after use. Choose Preparing to continue. The current patient from your clinical system will be shown. You are able to update the height and weight if necessary. To proceed, select Yes. After a moment, the BP software will open and show the patient details. You can see this in the top right corner. On the left-hand side, you have additional patient demographics. You can also edit the patient's BP limits if required. These are the figures the software will compare the patient's results against. Select the device communication button in the top left. This shows 2 arrows. We are now going to prepare the device. This window shows the controls and the settings on the device itself. Start by telling the device who the patient is. Press Send Patient ID. Buttons highlighted in pink indicate action is needed. If there are measurements left on the device, delete them. Ensure they have been downloaded already. If the time has changed, press Set Clock of Device. Choose if you want the patient to be able to see their results after each test. Below is where you set the frequency of measurements. Set the first interval to the time the patient usually wakes up. The bottom drop-down box is the number of measurements per hour. 2 is every 30 minutes. Intervals 2 and 3 are used throughout the day and allow more or less recordings to be taken if required. Normally, this is set the same as the first interval. Set the night interval to the time the patient expects to go to sleep. Typically, this is 1 measurement per hour. You can set the buzzer on or off. This alerts the patient just before measurement starts. This is usually set to on during the day and off overnight. Finally, click Save in the bottom left corner. Back at this main screen, close the software with the cross in the top right corner. Finally, on this screen, click OK. This will normally say No GDT transfer. We have now completed setting up the device. The final step is clicking OK to confirm we have finished. The device is now ready to be disconnected and set up on your patient. Remove the download cable by pulling the metal cylinder directly away from the unit. You are now ready to watch part 2 of our training guide. If you have any queries, please contact the NewMed support team.